and today I am bringing you January Pink Parcel. Pink Parcel is a feminine subscription that you get delivered to your door monthly. It comes in this little mailing bag that says, "Treat me gently, I'm feeling a little fragile today." This box is designed to go from 94% of letterboxes. So the chances are, if you're not home, you'll still get it. It comes in a little mailing bag. And then inside, you get Pink Parcel. So it comes in this box. I currently pay £10.50 for my Pink Parcel. They've recently changed it that if you're a subscriber, it was £10.50. If you're a new subscriber, you now pay £12.99, I believe it is, but I will put the details down below. So I still pay £10.50. So as long as you keep your subscription when you were a subscriber, it's £10.50. New people now pay £12.99. So it comes like this. And inside, you'll find you have all your essentials and more. So we have the little legend, which tells us everything that's in there. This time it's a bit different. Usually it's like a little booklet, and this time it's kind of like a leaflet. We'll look at that in a sec. This one's says feed your body with plant-based nutrition. It's a little thing with a coupon there for that. And then we've got a cook up, fresh start, Hello Fresh one. Never use Hello Fresh, so if you'd like to use that, feel free. So I'll get the little legend so that we know what we've got in here. So it says, "Welcome to your positive parcel. Happy New Year from the squad. Trying new things and adding more fun to your life rather than giving up the stuff we love. Don't forget to share. Hashtag positive." So inside you will find you get a little bag like this, which has now got bows on it, which is really cute. Adore the little bows. Usually they're just plain, but they've got bows this month. Inside you have pads and Tampax. You can either choose to have pads, Tampax, or both. And you also get to choose the brand as well. I believe mine are Kotex, I think. Although there are a range of brands that you can choose. And then you can choose Tampax or both. Then the night box, you get your pads. And then the other box is the for later box, which has got the rest of your pads to last you a week or however long you need. And then you get the interesting box, which is the for you box, which is the fun part. So you get a little box like this, and it comes chock-up with items. We're going to sit here and go through them. So the first item is from Bandies. And these are $5.95 or $4.95 with a Bandy subscription. So they actually do a subscription, Bandies themselves. Or you can buy them separately for $5.95. And you can also buy them from the Pink Parcel shop at pinkparcel.co.uk/shop. It comes in this little white bag, which is really cute actually. You can probably put your Tampax in there. And then inside, you get the little hairbands. Would have been nice if they'd have came with the actual piece of card that comes with it, but then I guess it wouldn't have fitted in the box. So we have, these are technically hairbands. It says sweep your hair back and stride forth for your adventure this month. So we've got like a cream one. We have a dark brown one. And they're all a bit glitzy as well. You may not be able to see it. They actually shimmer. Then we have a kind of pinky one. And then we've got another pinky one, which is a little bit of a different shade, if you can see that. So we've got them four. So they're all right. It would have been nice if it came on the card instead of the little bag. It's probably just me being picky. But I do like the little bag as well. And then the second item is from Larizzi. And this is the Larizzi eye pencil. This. It says, get your makeup game on point with this Larizzi eye pencil. One of 4 shades. Mine happens to be night blue, which is kind of cool. And it's that kind of nice, it's near enough black in its look. So it's near enough black. It even looks kind of black on your finger. You can see like it's got a hint of blue in it, which is kind of cool. This is £18 for 1 pencil, and you can buy it at the Pink Parcel shop. Glide under your upper lash for a sleek definition. So we have that. The third item is the Made by Coppers Apothecary Mist. This is in lime, basil and clementine. So it's called Happy Mist. It says spray the zest mix of lime and clementine and basil in the air or onto your pillow. The essential oils are a great mood booster. This is £12 for 30 ml. And this is a full size bottle. Not really my kind of scent. But that's alright. You can't like everything. Then we turn over. And then we have a tea, which we have every month. And the tea this time is We Are Tea, Senche Green Tea. This is a whole leaf tea bag. This is bursting with antioxidants to give you a body a boost on a cold, dreary day. Just brew the tea bag for 3 minutes to make the perfect cuppa. This is $2.99 for a box of 15 tea bags, which you can get from Wearity, which is WEARET.com. That's kind of cool, as in We Are Tea. Kind of cute. The next item is Brow Count Waterproof Brow Gel. Tame eyebrows and set brow makeup for hours. Now, I have lip coat myself, which I already own. This says if you're going, have confidence in your brow game, brush through a little brow coat to make them set into shape. This is $6.99 and you get it from lipcoat.com. Like that. And on the side is the brush. So I'm not going to open this because I don't do my brows or anything like that. So I'll probably end up selling it, but that's cool. Actually different. Then we have the snack that we always get, and this is the chili and lime Montezuma chili and chocolate organic bar. So I've had these before. Go forth and try something new. Start with the chili, lime and chocolate. This is 99p for 30 grams and you can get it from montezuma.co.uk. So chili and chocolate sounds a weird combination. I'm not into like hot, spicy foods like that. But again. And then the last item is something different. This is Veggie Essential Nutritional Powder. This is in chocolate flavour. It's 1 serving. It looks like this. So, create a tasty shake for this delicious chocolate nutritional powder, packed full of 13 vitamins. Pop a scoop of 375 ml of water to make a favourite smoothie. These bags are £29.99 for 630 grams. And this is 36 grams, so it's probably maybe 10 packets or more. So, I don't know how I feel about this. It does seem a bit weird. High in protein, green and veg, high in fibre. Looks alright. Looks a bit weird. You can go to the PNIK shop if you want to know more, if you want to look at more ideas. And then obviously you can go online and review the PNIK parcel for the month. So we have the protein shake, the chocolate, the tea, we have the happy spray, we have the eye pencil, we have the brow calc line thingy, and then we have the hairbands. So it's alright. I'm not overly excited. The chocolate was kind of the same. The hairbands, all in all, it was an alright box. I'm not overly excited about it, but it does have some good items in there and some unique ones. So that was PNIK Parcel. So if you want to check out PNIK Parcel, you can for more information. There is their social media. You want to follow them on there. There's that well for updates on boxes. They do release sometimes like a promo of what's going to be in the box, like 1 or 2 items, so you can just get a look at it. So if you haven't already and you want to subscribe to PNIK Parcel, check out their website. And if you'd like to subscribe to me as well, that would be awesome. And I will see you very soon for another PNIK Parcel video. Take care and thanks for watching. Bye.